Navigating the legal system alone can be confusing and difficult. Attorneys' retainers are often financially out of reach for many families. There are legal questions and pages of forms to fill out. What's an injunction? How do I report domestic violence? How do I get my divorce finalized? If you are representing yourself in a legal case in Hillsborough County, Bay Area Legal Services may have a program for you. Susan Whitaker is a family law attorney who's been practicing since 1990. Whitaker oversees the Legal Information Center, a way to get your legal questions answered, and it's conveniently located on the second floor of the Edgecombe Courthouse.
The Legal Information Center is a program to help people who are representing themselves in 3 types of cases. We help people with family law cases, residential landlord-tenant cases, and small claims cases. We're here to give them information about what's available to represent themselves and some guidance on how to proceed so that they can get through the system, get through their case a little bit better.
The Legal Information Center is filled with pamphlets on various legal programs and procedures. From child support grievances to filing for a restraining order, Whitaker can help those in need.
The most prevalent type of case is family law. 80 to 90% of the people I see are here for family law assistance. Family law includes issues, cases like divorce, child custody, child support, adoptions, name change.
The consultation is free for pro se litigants, meaning those who are handling the case themselves. But there is one requirement. Participants must sign the Notice of Limitations form.
It explains the limitations of the program, and it explains that I'm not here to represent them, I'm not allowed to give legal advice. I'm not, the conversations that we have are not confidential because there is no attorney-client relationship created.
The hours for the Legal Information Center change each week. The schedule is posted right outside the door, or you can find out the hours from home. No appointment is necessary.
We schedule walk-in hours each week, and those hours are posted on the 13th Judicial Circuit's website. And we have a public recording phone number that people can call for information and that week's walk-in hours.
The process is very simple to get legal information. There may be a few people in line early, so it's best to arrive a few minutes before the center opens.
When they arrive, there will be a podium in the hallway outside the door, and there will be a sign-in sheet and a stack of the notice forms. And they'll sign in and take one of the notice forms and fill it out. I will go to the sign-in sheet and call the next person, and they'll come in and have a seat. I will go take their Notice of Limitations form. Have you been here before?
No.
Did Bay Area Legal Services send you here?
Yes.
And what kind of a case are you doing? Family law,
Family
landlord-tenant? Okay. And then I'll ask them what they want to accomplish. And the question I usually ask is, what do you want the court to do for you? And that really makes them narrow down and think about what they're trying to accomplish.
Whitaker gathers information and may refer the client to do-it-yourself packets of forms.
Packet number 10 if you want to file a motion for contempt.
The forms can be purchased for $5 to $15 at the clerk's office on the first floor, or downloaded for free on the 13th Judicial Circuit's website.
If they already have a court case, then it might be helpful for them to bring copies of court orders or at least the case number so that I can look at the docket. If they haven't started a case yet, then there's really nothing that they need to bring with them.
If the pro se litigant does not speak English, they should bring their own translator to the consultation. Whitaker consults with over 150 people representing themselves each week. She has provided helpful information to people who may not understand the legal process at all.
Some people have not even the most basic knowledge of how the court system works. So we're here to try and demystify the process and to help them understand it a little bit better so that it's not so intimidating and that they can handle it better themselves.
The Legal Information Center is located in room 203 at the Edgecombe Courthouse. The center's schedule changes each week, so it's best to check their hours before you arrive. The 13th Judicial Circuit website at FLJUD13.org has a schedule posted for the current week. Or you can call 864-2280 for a recording of the walk-in hours. No appointment is necessary. You must sign in at the podium and complete the Notice of Limitations form. Only questions concerning family law, residential landlord-tenant, and small claims cases are answered. While the Legal Information Center is a program to assist pro se litigants, another program called the Case Management Unit assists the judiciary in processing pro se cases. Litigants who need assistance with the process should be referred to the Legal Information Center. The center may then refer clients to another free program the courts offer, the Family Forms Clinic. They provide volunteer attorneys who offer guidance in filling out legal packets. The Legal Information Center is free for those representing themselves. Funding is provided by a grant from the law firm of Fowler White and TICO.